Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove Instagram follow limit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So according to 2026 update for the Instagram follow limit is that its strictly maximum follow limit is up to 7,500 accounts on Instagram, and it cannot be removed or bypassed because it is hard for a cap designed to limit spam and to add new followers once this limit is reached. So, and if you're having problems within having actions blocked or temporary follow limits and within this time span, is that if you're under 7,500 but cannot follow users, so what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead, you need to pause the activity when you are following, take a break in between, and then redo your activity. You need to simply go ahead, remove the third-party apps, and if it still doesn't help, you need to reinstall your app and then restart the following action. But as I mentioned, there is a limit of 7,500 and it cannot be removed or it cannot be bypassed either, and that's just the update from the Instagram. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.